So hello everyone, this is Dom. I'm just enjoying a rainy Saturday in Gold Coast in Australia. I was just chilling and looking at YouTube as I usually do. I enjoy to watch content that is controversial, that just stimulates my interest and brights me up. That's why Jimmy Corsetti is one of my favorite YouTubers with his channel Bright Insight. He is just going through a very interesting topic, which I kind of already covered personally, didn't share much content about it, or not at all. But I found a solution that not many of in the internet average user knows about because it's quite technical, a bit hard to understand. There are things called meta search engine, and the way they work is when you make a search on a meta search engine, it taps information for a multitude of search engines online. That there has been like a proliferation of search engine which have been created on the purpose of compensate what famous search engines have been lacking of, like Jimmy mentioned. There's been a shifting from a more reliable, pure availability of data on the search engines towards more curated search that is limiting, anyway, using modern technology like AI and other kind of sort of algorithm is filtering the information of the public. So many enthusiasts of free information groups have been running initiatives and starting a new project about search engines. One of the most famous, DuckDuckGo, which turned out not that free anymore, but there are many other search engines that they have been like, they are just there out there in the internet. And who has the time to go and check every single search engine? Like it's impossible, right? So some very clever guys have been developing a meta search engine that what basically does, it taps from many other search engines to give results. This is not something that works out of the box for the average user. You need to be technical like I am to use it and to set it up. So my company provides internet services and automations and software to give other companies and or other individual or business owners access to technology that is available out there. So I own a company called WP Opera here in Australia. It's 2 years now. It's a startup. And what I have basically done has been to provide through the public, because it is available, search.wpopera.cloud, access to this meta search engine. So considering the fact that this meta search engine, one of the benefit of it, beside the fact that you can search at the same time on many sources you can select in the preference here, also gives you a lot of privacy, because basically the search engines that are receiving the search are receiving the search from my server instead from the laptop or the desktop or the computer that is actually performing the search. So that means that this basically a mediator, a random fingerprints to the search engine, so no one can actually, of the search engine like Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, and so on, they can trace back to you. Now, to go back to the real problem, right? So if I look on this meta search engine for climate change and I perform the search, okay, so I've got, so I'm looking for United Kingdom. You can search also from a specific location. In this case, now I'm changing back to Australia. So basically, as you can see, we got an infinite amount of results. Now, what's the catch? So the catch is that I can go to the next page, right? And then I can keep doing this forever, and I will always get results, because it's not just getting results from one engine, but it's getting results from 50 engines. So you can see here from where the results are coming from. So got Brave, Quant, Wikisource, Wikiversity, Google. So now you would say, like, how we know how much results there are there? So there are heaps. I think that because there are so many results, the meta search engine wasn't able to come up with a number. So what I can do, see on the top here, the URL, it's very complicated, but at a certain stage, there is a parameter called page number. So this page number parameter, it's what basically the page number that we are looking at is. So I can go there and change that value to 8,000. And I've got the 8,000 page. As you can see, Google and DuckDuckGo and other search engines, they are not there because they don't present, like they will not return a content for that amount of pages. But just to verify that the page is working fine, I just press the next page here. And then the parameter up there changed to page 8001. And I can go forever. So I can put there page, let's jump over 4,000. So 12,001. And here we are. We got content coming. And we got DuckDuckGo at a certain stage. Qantas. Okay, you can notice how the search engine that offer less content are not coming up. So let's see, let's try to break this. Let's go down to 70,000 results. I think that the only way to survive this age of misinformation, this age of control over the information, is to get together and develop tools. So this is my contribution. Everyone can come on this search engine called search.wpopera.cloud. I run it and I just put it there available for everyone to use for the sake of being able to find the information as we want it, and also to help all those search engines that are alternatives that maybe no one knows. But thank you, and I'll see you around. Bye.